Hey friends, it's Caitlin, the Homestyle Honey. I'm so glad you're here with me today because it's been a minute. I am excited to share with you some things that I have been doing, including a new business venture, and I'm going to go over that today in just a moment. But first, the reason it has been so long since we had a video is a couple things. Number one is we busted our bouteilles with some family help and finished out our basement. We have a blended family, and I've got 3 stepkids, bonus kids who are teenagers, and we really just needed some more space. Our home is about 1,800 square feet before the basement is included. And so we really just worked very hard for a full month, full weekends, evenings, getting that space finished out. Very soon, I'm going to have a video coming for you so you can see that space. There are some things that we're still working on, like it's trimming some things up here and there, but you'll be able to see really the progress that we've done and where things are at. The other thing is life and technology happened and my computer crapped out, and then between insurance and getting a new one and getting it set up and all of that, it just takes a minute. So I really just kind of had to take a couple months off from YouTube, but I'm thrilled to be back. So I'm going to tell you all about my new venture. So that's coming in just a minute. And then at the end of the video, I will tell you how much money I made my first weekend. And soon I'm going to be having some more videos where I will just give you a little update on our new business venture. What it is a farm stand. And so soon I will be giving you an update on the farm stand, how it's been going, what kind of income comes from something like that. And we actually opened a second location too. So I'm just gonna share some of that. I will do some more like how I manage my schedule videos and bake with me alongside DIY as we finish out our home. Currently I'm in our scullery, which is functioning finished, but not fully finished. So there will eventually be a tour of the space too. But thank you so much for coming along with me on this journey. Stay tuned, and now let's go see what we're up to. So my sister and I started a farm stand, and it is day 2. So I am going to be baking this morning. I let myself sleep in just a little bit. Instead of being up at 6, I got up about 6:45 since I have less bread to make. And instead of having to be a dough day where I start my sourdough and a bake day, it's just a bake day to me. So feels like sleeping in compared to some of our other days. But I'm going to get started baking. So come along and bake with me. I'm making sourdough. I'm going to be making cinnamon rolls. I'm going to be baking some cookies. family with some things, and now I'm back to finish baking. So I'm just doing chocolate chip cookie balls that I have already made, and then they have just been in the refrigerator for a day. And so I'm just going to put these on the sheet and we'll bake these. My other oven has peanut butter oatmeal in it right now. So we'll do a few rounds of cookies. Can I have a cookie and it's heavy? This is pretty. It's hot, so don't get too close. Okay, I have a batch of snickerdoodles that are in the oven. I've got about 2.5 dozen. My daughter and I made those together. It started out with her helping because you have to monitor little kids constantly. I think she got tired of me telling her to wash her hands. So she played. I finished these up. I did not film it because I don't want to put her on film, but those are cooking, and now I'm going to make the filling and then the frosting for the cinnamon rolls. Okay, so we have butter, sugar, and cinnamon in here, brown sugar to be specific. Okay, so we're gonna mix the butter, sugar, and cinnamon. Okay. And our sugar cookies are done. So somehow this batch, I don't know if you can see this, looks like this. Somehow the balls of dough must have like rolled or something, and I didn't realize it. So they're a little closer together. We'll see how well we can salvage them. Okay, so sugar cookies will cool. We are going to roll out our dough in just a minute and spread our mixture. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and roll out my cinnamon roll dough and get these babies in the oven. Okay, so cinnamon rolls are baked. They took a little longer than I wanted, and so they're not quite as cool as I wanted, but we're just gonna go with this. I feel like I'm still going through my learning curve on cinnamon rolls a little bit. It's challenging, in my opinion, to find ones that either aren't dry or to get them not over baked, but you don't want them like wet and doughy in the middle where they're undercooked. So I ended up putting these back in the oven after I first took them out to make sure that they weren't at that undercooked stage. So we are going to box them and ice them. And these are also sourdough cinnamon rolls, but I'm also going to probably play with some recipes for just a yeasted dough. So I've got a recipe to try. If you have a recipe that you just love where they're soft and they're gooey and they're just absolutely amazing, by all means, send it my way. I feel like I am on the hunt for that perfect recipe. I thought I had a pretty good one, but just tweaking it for mass production definitely has its own challenges. I'm gonna put these two little baby ones together. And that little single one goes together. Okay, we are at the farm stand. Let's see how we did. Thank you for coming along with me as I did my first bake and we launched our farm stand. Stay tuned, hit that like and subscribe button so you can get updates on the channel. I'm going to be sharing really my process for the farm stand and how I bake, how I line out those days. I'll do some more bake with me, and I'm just going to share the journey because it's not all that it looks like on social media, and I know that it's a very popular thing, so you'll want to stay tuned. And then of course we're going to have some more DIY videos coming for you. So thanks for joining me today, and we'll see you on the next video.